click on the Home Workout app icon. The app will ask you a series of questions to understand your fitness goals, starting with identifying your gender. Select the appropriate gender and click on Next. Answer the questions based on your preferences. You can often choose more than one option. Select your motivation and confirm your year of birth and height. You can adjust between centimeters and feet, and pounds and kilograms. Confirm your current weight, and then set the weight you want to be. From the options presented, select your current body shape and the shape you want to achieve. The next section asks questions on where and how you want to work out, as well as if you have any existing injuries or pain points. It will also ask questions about your current level and abilities. It is important to answer truthfully, as you don't want to injure yourself while working out. And remember, no one but you can see these replies. The app will ask you some questions to understand how you will reward yourself. You don't have to commit to your answers, so pick anything without worry. The app will then prepare a plan for you. Click on Get My Plan. It's important to note the recommended plan is not free. If you don't want to pay, look for the cross on the top left of the screen. Click on the cross. If you see a privacy notice, you can click on Consent. If you wish to get notifications, click on Grant Now. You can now access the rest of the app for free. For more health videos, check out the Priority Health playlist on the Unity website. Thank you.